Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today I have, for There's a Card Thursday, I have some really quick and easy watercolor cards. You know, I ran out of watercolor paper and I had to get some more, so I didn't want to run out again, and usually I cut it 4 by 5 1/4, but the sheets come in 6 by 9 inches, so that doesn't leave you a lot of stuff you can use with the scraps. So I wanted to do something that gave me more watercolor paper to use. So I decided I was going to cut it in 3 inches and 3 by 3. So you can get 6 little squares out of 1 sheet of paper. So that's 6 cards. And they just look really great. What we're going to use, I'm going to show you how to do this. It's quick, it's easy, you don't need many supplies to do this. You need some watercolor paper. I am going to be using a couple of new sets. I'm going to be using the So Hoppy Together set from Celebration. You can earn this for free with a $50 order. You could get this stamp set. And I'm also using what's called Humming Along. It's a cling set. It's in the Occasions catalog. I just love it. I am going to be using, and I will tell you this, I learned this when I couldn't find my Stays-On cleaner, and I thought, oh, I would be here forever because I wouldn't be able to watercolor. And then I found out that if you let it dry, you can use Memento ink on it. Now you can't let it dry and then watercolor over it because it bleeds, but if you do a wash, you can watercolor on it. I am also going to be using some watercolor pencils, and this time I'm using them as pencils, or as watercolor pencils. I am going to be needing a piece for each card, 8.5 by 5.5. Whisper White. Let me get another piece because I forgot. I'm going to have to get some more Whisper White. And I am going to be using the Gingham Gala. This again is a free item for Celebration. If you order, for every $50 you order, you get a product. This is another product that's available in Celebration. So yeah, there's 2 products right there. So you're going to have to put in a $100 order. And remember, if you put in a $100 order from me. Just all the information's down below. So what I am going to do is, I know I'm going to do a frog. So I've got my old olive, and I'm just going to scribble on this. It's going to turn into a wash, but I'm just going to scribble on this one. And then this one, I know I'm going to do a flower, and it's real red up. I want the flower to be real red. Okay, I'm going to have to, okay, real red. Oh, and we're going to use the Stamparatus, of course, and we're going to need an aqua painter. And then down here, I'm going to just do that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your aqua painter, and you're going to just wash this. Just get some water on it, and you're going to make this a wash, just like this. Okay, and then make sure you clean your paintbrush so it's clear, because you're going to go over to the green, and you don't want too much of that. So get some more water in there, and you're going to wash that. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to, now I would prep a bunch of these. If you're going to do a bunch of these, I'd prep these because the next step takes a little bit. Okay, get some water down there. Seems like my aqua painter is, there we go. It's not getting as much water as I'd like. I'll have to clean it out. You guys all know how to clean out your aqua painter. You put vinegar in it and let it dissolve some of that hard water. And then you rinse it out really well and put the water back in. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to let it dry, thoroughly let it dry. Through the magic of time, and that I already did some, so there they are. Now what I'm going to do is, let's do the hoppy one. And I've cut the gingham. Where's my gingham? I cut the gingham. The gingham comes in lemon lime twist, and this is Highland Heather grape. No, Highland. What's the colors? They come. It comes with, here it says it's Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, and Whisper White. Grapefruit Grove, and this is the Highland Heather, and this is the Lemon Lime Twist. So I'm just going to set those aside. I'm going to get out my Stamparatus. Okay. Oh, and you're going to need some adhesive. I know I'm going to use some dots, glue dots. Okay, so I'm here. I am going to put down my green one, just the green one, because I'm going to do this. And what I'm going to do, I think I'll put it this way because I want the words. This one, you can fit your frog in there, just like that. And you can fit your saying right like that. And I'm going to put Hoppy for You, okay? And this one's been drying, so it's pretty dry. And I'm going to close that up, pick it up, and now I'm going to use the Memento, okay? Just ink it up with the Memento. And then I'm just going to stamp on it. And while I've got the Stamparatus out, I'm going to do both of them. So I'm going to clean the frog off. Oh, where did I put the... There we go. Now remember, the cling, I always put a piece of washi tape on a corner, because if you just go like I tried to do like that and pull it off, the whole thing may stay on there. Okay, just putting these back. Getting out the Humming Along stamp set. And I am going to get out the flower on this one. I'm going to change out the frog and going to put the... Now, how would I like that? Just like that. Yep. And I'm going to put the Memento on. And I'm going to stamp that. Fast, easy watercolor. There you go. And let's clean this off. Get this one off. Now what I'm going to do first off, before I put the Stamparatus away, I want to add a saying on this one. But there's not a lot of room on here to add the saying. So what I am going to do is I am going to attach it to the Highland Heather. I think I'm going to attach it to the little one. There's two sides. There's the big and then the little gingham. So I'm going to attach this one to the little one. The other one was attached to the big one. you know, if you like this, I hope you share this video with your friends and that you also purchase from me. All the information on what I'm using is down below. I hope you really enjoy it. So now I'm going to try to center this. Just like that. And then I'm going to put that there. And I am going to put the thank you right down below it. Just think, if you order from me, you may get this as a thank you card for your order. And there you go. Okay, now I'm all done with the Stamparatus. Put your stuff away. Again, I've learned that in the trailer, it's better to put it away right away than to wait until after I'm all done with the videos and I can't find anything. So, put this on the bottom. And take this off and this off. There you go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Whisper White, and for the flower one, all I have to do then is, for the humming along, all I have to do is go like this and attach. Now you can use any of the adhesives you like. As you know, I love my glue dots. Just going to attach that like that. Going to take another piece of Whisper White, fold it up, and I'm going to attach this one on the big one, so I'm going to put this on first on the big gingham side. Now again, you could do all of these, since you got 6 of these, you could do all of them right in a row and let them dry and then just stamp on them and put them together. Realistically, the longest thing it takes is for them to dry. And goes right in the middle, just like that. There's 2 great watercolor cards. Fast, easy. You don't have to sit there and paint it. You just do a wash. Very pretty. Again, make sure you follow me on YouTube, and all the information to purchase everything you need to do these and to get your free Gingham Gala or your So Hoppy, I think it's So Hoppy Together stamp set, is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.